Hey guys, welcome to my video, and this video is about how to clear console or terminal with Python. Okay, let's start. As you know, when we wanna clear our console in Windows, for example, let me do this. For example, now it's not clear. When we wanna clear that in a Windows, we type CLS, but you can work in it with Python. I'm sorry, I'm gonna say that. You can write CLS in a terminal in a Mac or Kali Linux. If you are in a Mac and Kali Linux, when your terminal is not clear, you have to type clear. Now we have error because we don't have any clear in the Windows. And if you type CLS in terminal in Kali Linux or Mac, again you're gonna see an error because we don't have any CLS in a Mac or a Linux. Okay, let's do this with Python. We need one library, two library if you wanna do it professional. Let me make a folder in a project. It's clear terminal, and open my VS Code. And in the clear terminal, I'll make one project called code.py, and we need one library called platform. No, OS, yes. As you know, the OS library is the most of the Python that when you download the Python is for default download, but if not download, you can type in terminal, or is my Windows PowerShell. It is not different with CMD. You can in both of them type pip install OS and download it. If you see here error, you have to go in Google and type pip install OS PYPI. And the first site, because now my internet is not good, and the first site is com. The website's name is PYPI. That site you can find any library and show your comment, and you can copy that and paste in your CMD. But the OS library is downloaded for default. Okay, let's go. We had one video about OS library, and one of the things that I tell you in that, I'm telling you that in that video, it was OS.system. Did I tell you anything that you type here is look like that you type in the window, in the terminal? Yes, everything that you type here is look like that you type in the terminal or CMD, and it's easy. You can type CLS here. Look at it. Let me open this. I know that sometimes, for example, if you want in one file, if you click on this and you see this path, and here if you type CMD, the CMD is gonna open in this path. Okay, and type look, my terminal now is not clear. I type Python code.py. You see, my terminal now is clear. Just clear my terminal and do it. Okay, but one thing. When you want to use it in one project, look like that. For example, you make it tools. It's not good that, for example, when you make it tools and your terminal isn't clear, and when you start your project run here, and here is not clear, and it's not good. And most of the programmers and hackers use it in their project. And okay, we have another thing that maybe, for example, you want to make a tool for a Linux and a Mac, and both, for example, you make one tool and work in a Linux, Mac, and a Windows. Okay, if we have one option here, we need a platform library. Again, I think it's downloaded for default. and import platform. This library, let me show you what is that. This library has so many things in it, but only we want one thing in it. Platform, but okay, what we need is platform that we need. You name this code. Let's output. Let me now put it in a OS name, and here print my OS name. And let me. Is that clear now? Yes. Okay. Let's add it, guys. When I run it, you see there is some information about my system. That, for example, now this Taha and the Rails in 10, the version, the machine, and the system. In Macs, because we don't have this library, I think in Mac, I don't know what to write in the Mac and the Linux. I can do another thing. Here, what do we need? We want to write a program to come and see this, read this one, and see that if we have Windows in the sentences, know that our system is Windows and the clear system with CLS. But else, it means if it was not Windows and it was another thing, it's not important anything yet. Only when it was not Windows, come to clear terminal with clear. How we can do it? With if and else, and I teach you in the last video, in the previous video. Yes, okay. Let's go. Write if Windows, because we have to use in. If Windows, it was in OS name, come to say OS system CLS. But anything else, it means if Windows it was not in an OS name, come and write OS system clear. And after that, for example, print hello Taha. Here, let's see. Do you see? You clear the terminal and write hello Taha. If you want, now I don't have any Mac and Linux, but if you want, you can try it. It's gonna be work. Because what we do is come here and get out one sentence and I'll show you. Okay? You come and write. Okay, when we have Windows and OS name, you clear. Okay, you come and clear your system and console with CLS. But when gonna be else the time the Windows was not in OS name. I teach full completely in a last video. It was about if and else in the Python. It was around 40 minutes, and I suggest you to